Yeah, so is that cool if I use your song in my YouTube video? Yeah, I'll credit you in that. Nice one.
Right, hello. Today I'm going to review these mini printers that you can get from Amazon, but they are on TikTok and all, and they are around £10 to £15, and they come with rolls and all. You can buy just paper rolls or sticky rolls as well and all with this, and this one and all. This one's dead popular, and this one isn't so popular. But this is actually berry. This looks better. I'll show you it all in a minute anyway. Well, this one, I'll show you this one anyway. This is a viral one. It's on TikTok. Now, what you have to do with these printers, right, is the idea is basically you connect it to your phone, then obviously you can print labels off for like your letters or like any items that you want to be labelled, and also as well is you can use this for printing off receipts. But I've been making stickers with my, I've been just basically having a laugh with them, basically, just making funny pictures and everything like that, and sticking on places and everything. But this is the most popular one anyway, on TikTok and mostly. But you can buy these on Amazon. I will put a link below and all, so if you want to buy this, you can. Now this one itself, come with the sticky rolls and the paper rolls. And basically all you do is just put the roll in here, closed up, turn it on and connect to your phone. And that's all you do really. And to download the app on your phone, you need the instructions here. And this barcode here takes you to the app. But I mean, to be fair, for how much they cost, and it does come with 10 rolls, this one did. They are worth it. To be fair, they are worth it. But the other one here is quite smart. This is like the less popular one, but this is, well, I think this is more smarter, I think. And also as well, you get the USB Type-C cables in both of the boxes and all. But look at this one. Look at that. It's like a little cat. Got a catties there, gold. And that's where the printer paper comes out. But look at this. Look at this. This is my last one. So look at that. It changes different colours and everything as well. Yeah, so that's an example anyway of this here. Now this is a sticky label, obviously you can stick it on anything. You can cut it out and just stick it on anything you want. There's an example of the spear here, but I mean, yeah, it's only black and white, but I think it's quite cool. So if you want to buy one of these anyway, like I say, the link's below, and they aren't that much need to buy. I mean, you can get one for like, so say 10, 20 quid and the max, and they come with rolls and everything as well, so it's just a thing that you can like mess around with, and it's just, yeah, if you like this kind of thing, you can make like, I don't know, make like a little sticky book or something with them, or use this for postage labels and all, or print off barcodes and things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye.